Did you know that in 2026 over 5.4 billion people are active on internet and businesses are spending billions every single year to reach them online? And the wild part, most of the people are doing marketing, they just learned it. And that's what I'm doing. I want you to learn it with me. Hey, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Shikha and this channel is literally just me documenting everything what I am learning about digital marketing in real time. Just someone who got curious and decided why not share it. So if you're a beginner, someone who keeps hearing terms like SEO, content strategy, paid ads, and you absolutely no idea what does it mean, then this channel is for you. Hit subscribe, turn on notification, and let's figure out it together. So let me tell you why even I started learning this stuff. For a few months back and wondering how those businesses get customers online. How does someone post something and gets thousands of people seeing it? How do ads work? Why does Google show certain results? I tried googling it and got completely overwhelmed. Every other article uses 10 words which I didn't know. Even the YouTube video felt like it was made for someone who already know the things. So I thought, what if I just start from zero? Learn one thing at a time, document it and share it so that the next person doesn't have to feel the same way as lost as I did. That's this channel, that's this video, and let's start with absolute basics. Okay, so first question, what even is digital marketing? Digital marketing is a way a business promotes itself using the internet. An Instagram post, digital marketing. Google ad that pops up on your screen when you search something, digital marketing. That email you got from brand with a discount code is a digital marketing. Now, why this matters, especially in 2026? Because the game has completely changed. AI tools have exploded. Short form videos is the number one way people discover brands. Search is replaced partly by AI assistants, which makes this a great time to start learning because everyone is figuring out right now. Before we get into the pillars, I want to paint a picture what the landscape looks like right now in 2026 because this is stuff I'm learning and it's blew my mind. What's huge right now? First, AI generated content is everywhere. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, marketers use these daily, but the brands that win are the ones who still add a human voice on top of it. Second, short form videos is still king. Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. If you're not making short videos, you are invisible to huge part of internet. Third, search is changing. People are now asking AI chatbot questions instead of Googling. So SEO in 2026 isn't just about ranking on Google. It's about being the answer an AI gives. If you remember nothing, just remember 5 things. These 5 things are the core pillars of digital marketing. First, content marketing. Content is anything you create to attract and educate your audience. Blog posts, videos, podcasts, social posts. The goal isn't to sell immediately. It's to be helpful so people trust you when you do sell. Second pillar is SEO, search engine optimization. SEO is how you get your website or content to appear when someone searches for something on Google. Third pillar is social media marketing. It is about building audience and community on different platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. Now the fourth pillar is email marketing. Do not underestimate email because it is still the highest ROI marketing channel. Meaning, when someone gives you their email address, they are saying, I trust you, keep in touch. The last pillar, fifth, is paid advertising. This is when you pay to show your content or offer to a specific people through Google Ad, Meta Ad, and so on. It costs money and it requires understanding who you are targeting. Now I have to talk about AI because in 2026, you cannot have a conversation about digital marketing without it. But here is something I have learned and this is important. AI is a tool, not a replacement. The marketers who are winning right now are the ones who use AI to move faster, but still bring their own voice, creativity, and human judgment to everything. Alright, I know what you're feeling right now. This all sounds good, but where do I actually start? I got you. Based on how I'm learning myself, I have figured out some points. Point number 1, foundation. Understand what digital marketing is. Second point, observe and analyze. Follow 5 brands in a niche you are interested in. Study what they post, how often, and what gets the more engagement. Don't create yet, just watch and takes the note. Third, Create and publish. Post your first piece of content, a short video, a written post, anything. Don't aim for perfect, aim for done. Analyze what happens. And the key rule, learn by doing. Reading about marketing without doing marketing is like reading about swimming. You have to get into the water. So that's the overview. Before I go, I want to ask you something. Drop a comment below. What the one thing about digital marketing you are most confused right now? I'm going to use those comments to decide what to cover in next video. This channel is literally built about what you need to know. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If this helped you even a little bit, a like really does help this video reach more beginner like you.